talking, and in terms of like business and getting clients, and also it kind of takes you out of the equation. So I've struggled with this over the years, and anytime I kind of level up to a new place in my business where I'm operating from a different place or connecting with clients in a different place, I have to really retrain the way that I'm speaking and the energy of kind of how I'm coming across and who I'm speaking to. And this has come up in client calls recently where it's like, I have a client who's like, I want to level up. I want to talk to people who are farther along in their journey, and I don't want to go back to do all the heavy lifting on some of the deeper healing stuff. And a huge part of what we've been working on is changing how you're talking to that person and making sure that you're speaking to your ideal client that's ahead of the old client, not like better or worse, but just like in the place that you want to be picking people up from. So, as I remind myself to really be speaking to meet my clients where they're at from the place I want to be meeting them at, also checking in too to see if you're going so far back behind to be able to speak to everyone or wanting to not offend anyone and make sure everyone's included. Sometimes when we do that, we really water down what we're doing and the valuable work that you do. And it also makes it hard for your ideal clients to know that you're talking to them. So, reminding you. Mhm. Reminding me.